Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Instagram password in iPhone. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This is very easy and simple process. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to change Instagram password in iPhone. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on that. Now at the top right corner you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Now you can see different options. Tap on that option settings. Now go to the option security. Now at the top you can see password option. Tap on that. Now all you have to do is enter your current password here. And then enter new password for your account. After you are done, you can tap on save, which is given at the top right corner. Tap on save. You can see that my Instagram account's password has been updated. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Instagram password in iPhone. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel.